Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis, and we're going to discuss as usual Bitcoin and Ethereum price actions. I really hope that you enjoy and learn from the content. As usual, I will provide a key educational content with a clear level, and I hope that this will help to take your own trades. As usual, if you're enjoying from the content, hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Now without wasting a time, let's start. Starting from a weekly time frame, we closed yesterday our weekly candle, and we had such a scenario. As long as we're going to close above these two candles, which was around 59,200 and 300, and that will be safe under a weekly time frame. So as we see, the closing of this candle was $59,979, and this is a good sign. However, if we look into the RSI, and still the price on the weekly time frame, as you can see, higher highs, and on the RSI, as you can see, we've got a lower highs, and this is what we've been following for some time. And as I said, it doesn't play instantly in a short period of time because we're looking at the weekly time frame, and that will take some time to play out. Before we move on to the daily time frame, today we're going to do another giveaway on this episode. If you want to participate, like, subscribe, and make sure activate the bell, and leave the comment down below what you want to see in the future or anything you like with your favorite coin. And on this video, we do 15 minutes consulting call personally with me, and you can ask anything related trading, and you can send me one of your favorite coin, and I will do a technical analysis for it, and we will go through to it during the phone call. However, bear in your mind, I will not give any financial advice during the call. Disclaimer is down below if you want to read it. Moving on to a daily time frame. Under daily time frame, we are still bullish and there is no change. However, in the past few days, we had a resistance and support at around 59,100 and 200 area. So as I said, we have to stay and close above this level. As you can see, in the past 2 days, these two candles managed to stay and close above 59,100, which is a good sign. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, if you remember in the last video, we were around 60,300 and 60,500 region. And as I said, we'll be highly likely going to test 59,500, and maximum we're going to be testing lower line of this support, which was 58,300. And as you can see, this candle came wick to wick, dollar to dollar, played out perfectly, and a support level of 58,300 played out perfectly. So dollar to dollar and wick to wick rejection. So since then we went all the way up. So the current condition of 4-hour time frame, so as soon as we manage to break and stay above $58,100, we are on the bullish territory on the 4-hour time frame. Before we move on, if you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8. One-on-one intense mentorship is available. It only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this. And the system will cover scalping, which is day trading, swing trading, as well as long-term investment strategies. Moving on to 2-hour time frame. When we look into a 2-hour time frame, as I said, as soon as we manage to break and stay above 58,300, we are on the bullish territory. 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame gave the bullish signal slightly earlier. When we managed to break 57,500 region, went all the way up, retested the last time. You can see first time, second time. Since then, we are on the bullish territory. If you remember, in the last 3 weeks, we had this important resistance level. And as you can see, again, in the last 3 days, it kept rejecting. Once we reached the all-time high of $62,000, first rejection, second rejection, third time. And then the last time, it was rejected on the 4th of April. However, in the last 48 hours or so, we saw another 2 rejection right from this resistance line. The reason is this is not the usual horizontal resistance line. It actually matched, as I said, with our very important level of the Fibonacci. So still, all the lower time frame as well as the high time frames are bullish, and in the next 72 hours I'm expecting some volatility in the market, and this volatility should take us all the way up to $64,000. Afterwards, that we've got a target above us which we've been following for some time. It's going to be 68,000 and 70,000 range. Moving on to Ethereum. Ethereum, as I said, long-weighted target for the Ethereum was 2,200 level, and we reached to the target, as you remember, dollar to dollar, cent to cent, the highest level. If you can see the H, so this candle 48 hours ago we reached to the target after some time, which provided to us after this, if you remember, bullish 4-hour time frame, gave a bullish, retested perfectly. Since then, as I said, we are on the bullish territory. So that actually gave, after the retest, nearly about 25% spot profit. If you're a leverage trader, you do the maths, 10 times leverage, 250% profit, 5 times leverage, that would have given you a 125% profit in less than 2 weeks. So today, again, we came, as I said last time, this is not going to be easy to break this level in a one go. So today, early morning, we tested this level again, and then we're seeing some minor rejection in the market. If you remember, we had this minor resistance as well. I didn't give a weight in the last video to this minor resistance, so we don't need this minor resistance anymore. Bear in your mind, the support and resistance lines are changed for the Ethereum 4-hour time frame. Under 4-hour time frame, as I said, since 1750, 1780, you know that we're on the bullish territory. However, if we're going to analyze this, again, I'm waiting within 72 hours, some volatility for the Ethereum and the alt market as well. However, at the moment, 2150, 2125 acting as a resistance. If we cannot manage to break, we might go south towards the 2066, 2040 dollars. But even if we're going to visit the support line of 2066, 2040, there is nothing to worry about. 4-hour is extremely bullish, and then lower time frames should hold, especially at this 2070 area. 2-hour time frame. When we look into a 2-hour time frame, right around here, 1700, 1720, we're being given a bullish signal. As you can see, first rejection, second rejection, and then retest, managed to break the previous resistance. It acted as a resistance, managed to break under 2-hour time frame. Since then, we are on the bullish territory. Since we broke this 1920 level, we've been already up by nearly 28% spot profit. So as I said, the current condition of the 2-hour time frame is healthy and bullish. When we look into a 1-hour time frame, if 1-hour time frame, we're going to see some sort of rejection from lower line of this resistance, which is 2100, 2125, we will be under consolidation around here. And the price is going to be highly likely will test 2060, 2070 range. If you remember, we had a support around here in the last video, and as expected, we saw a minor correction or dump in the market right inside this support box. We hold this level, and then since then, as I said, we just managed to go up. However, this level is a bit critical, but very soon I'm expecting to break the 2200 area. When we look into a midterm target price, it's going to be, as long as we're going to stay above 2150, 2200, we are good to go towards the long weighted target price of 2525, 2600 area. That's going to be our high time frame Fibonacci level of 1618 golden zone. The market is healthy and extremely bullish. I don't want to talk about the bearish scenario in this episode. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.